Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Look at this beautiful, colorful crab curry. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. This is my most favorite curry and let's start with the ingredients. Alright, so to make this crab curry, we have 6 fresh crabs. For the garam masala or the gravy, we need 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, 7 to 8 cloves, 2 green cardamom, 1 big cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, quarter tablespoon. For the dry spices, we need salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and this is Malvani masala. But if you do not have, you can skip it. And for the gravy again, we need 3 large chopped onions, sliced, and about 1 cup of dry coconut. For tempering, we need half tomato and half onion, and some coriander for garnishing, and of course 1.5 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste. I got the crabs, they were alive, so I put it in the freezer overnight and they're dead now. So let's clean. So simply remove these legs, just twist it and remove it. Just like so, and gotta remove this part and all this. There will be a lot of sand, so we need to really clean it thoroughly. So this is the best way. I'm gonna use this. Also, we gotta open this shell by twisting it. So this part is gone now. This will help us remove the shell like this. So look at this dirty part. I'm gonna remove this one. This is still frozen, so got to remove it and clean it really thoroughly. The black part is something you gotta remove. Alright, so this is ready to be washed and cooked later. Again, you can use this shell to cook after cleaning this from inside. All this have to be cleaned also. You can cook this shell just for the flavor, but you can discard it as well. So let me do all the crab cleaning and let's make the masala then. Okay, so let's get the gravy ready. So I'm just gonna simply add all these whole spices in 2 tablespoons of oil. Saute this well for about 1 minute. Once you see the aroma is coming and it's slightly golden brown, I'm gonna just remove. Time to add onion. Fry this onion until it turns golden brown. Alright, so as you can see, my onion is all cooked and have a beautiful brown color. I'm gonna move it to the dish and get the rest of the onion. sauteed just like this. Okay, so I've added the coconut as well in the onion mixture. So let's saute this and cook, saute it until it's little brown in color. I've used the dry coconut just for getting the beautiful brown color to the gravy. Alright, so my masala is cooling off now. I'm going to grind this masala into puree. And my gravy is ready. Alright, so my crab cleaning is all done. These are the legs. So I kept it separately because these, with some water, I'm going to grind it and get the juice out of it. It's going to be giving us a beautiful flavor of the crabs. And as you can see, I have cut it in the half. It was joint. I just cut it in half. So these are the parts which I'm going to use it in the curry. And this will be discarded after I get the juice out of it. So, and the shell is just for decoration. I'm not going to use it, but that will be on a display. So this is it. So once I get this grinded, I'll give you step further. Let's add that and add some water. That's it. Just 1 cup of water, and let's grind this. Okay, as you can see, I have strained the crushed legs here, and this is the water. I'm gonna use it for making the curry. It's gonna give us beautiful crab flavor. Alright, so we are all set to make the gravy. Let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add half onion. Ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoons. Saute this well. Tomato, salt, turmeric powder, some of the red chili powder, just for the beautiful red color. Let's add 3 to 4 tablespoons of gravy mixture. Saute this well. Once this gravy is cooked, let's add all the crab pieces that we cleaned. Let's mix this well. Time to add this water that we grinded from the crab legs. So I'm not gonna add any more water than this. Let this cook for about 15 minutes. Lots of flavor in here. The garam masala, crabs, it's gonna be yummy. Okay, so let's keep it covered for about 15 minutes. Alright, as you can see, after 15 minutes, this is how they look. There you go. So let's add rest of the spices. The Malvani Masala, Garam Masala and red chili powder. If you do not have Malvani Masala, that's totally fine. Let's add that. Mix it well, and depends on the gravy how thick you want. You can add some more gravy here. And let's add some water. Let it cook for another 10 minutes and then this dish is done. Okay, so let's see now. Wow, look at this. Beautiful curry is ready. My crabs are cooked. You can see that when it turns to orange color, that means it's completely cooked. So here you go, my crab curry is ready. One last step is add 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan and add red chili powder. Turn the heat off immediately and add it on just for that beautiful red color. Coriander. And here you go, I have garnished this with some coriander. Just look at this, how beautiful and colorful this looks. I have the shells just for decoration. Here is my crab curry ready, and you can serve this with hot rice or roti or fulka as per your liking. So here you go. Thanks for watching this crab curry recipe. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share your comments in the comments box below, and if you have not subscribed yet, please try to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.